Pardon me. I'm eating my gluten-free zucchini cherry muffins that I've made with coconut sugar as well. Coconut sugar, super flavorful, lower on the glycemic index. I had tons of zucchini and I posted on Instagram, what should I make with all this zucchini? Thinking people were gonna give me vegetable dishes. Well, my niece Mariah said, why don't you make blueberry zucchini muffins? I'm like, that's brilliant. I didn't have any blueberries, but I did have frozen cherries. So I made these delicious gluten-free cherry zucchini muffins. Give them a try, really easy. One bowl mix up, put them in the oven for 20 minutes and then enjoy. So tasty. Thanks, Mariah.